Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this GMC terrain key fob here. It works for these models 2018 and 2023 and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right on this side you see a small button. Now press this button and this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. Now when you remove the mechanical key and when you hold the fob like this here is the side with the buttons facing down and this here is the back piece facing up. Now hold the fob like this and right here in the center you see this small hole right here. Now take this mechanical key and with the tip only insert the tip only in this small hole like this, and when you insert it just twist it a little bit, push up, and this way this will crack open, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. Now when you separate the fob into two pieces like this, right on this side you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery it's very easy, just take the small flat screwdriver and insert the tip here or here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure this here, the side that faces you, is the negative side. So this here is the negative side and this step here is very important. Alright, now when you place the battery over here, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, everything have to match perfectly. So when you align them, just snap them together. And when you snap them together just like this over here, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, hope you find this video useful and take care.